Now footsteps off, the elevator is broken. Smoke in the iris, heart wipe all the viruses. Fire in the whole entire ain't quiet, no. It's a spiraling effect, hypodermic needles and necks in need of a check mark. The beat is a dead heart, I feed it to recharge. The vampire lives on, holding the vision with sweaty palms. Tears and sweat dropped off the arms, like the front gate. Sound the alarm, here comes the radioactive waste. Crumble the castlescapes, pull asses below the face. Now do not make a sound until we say, see the tension build until you can no longer even hold it. The smoldering smell of infernal leaves them hopeless, devoted with the scope open yet they cannot focus. Hold them tortured till the dawn of day till they go smokeless. Cause it's a call of duty, the recipe, the secret potion. I dare you to call unto me, press the correct button sequence, and I'll be there in a heartbeat. The drums, outer world visit, slaughterhouse homes and villages spilling blood in manholes. Chains hold ankles, ready to be untangled. It's the grip of the fist when you know you're tied up with strike two. Surviving in solitude, provide a little spark to keep it burning inside you. I fight fire with fire, keep my hands loose on asphalt with blade running shoes and ambush. The vampire lives on inside of the beat, provided with the speech. Let the blood freely flow from the brain down to the feet. Either your way or my way, either way it's a migraine.
Have you ever heard a monkey like this? You be smithing words, bodies in the furnace, cremated, raising up the temperature. My vision puts asphyxiated minds throughout my literature. Lyrics new revision, flying overhead like fucking bird. People be surprised when they hear who got inspired from him. And I'm not fucking with this, way too many to skip this war. Ever since a kid I had this vision, but I will hold it tight to be artistic with my visuals and make them come to life. Never had a team of support, I was too scared to try. Stacking all these words and thoughts for years, and that's the perfect time. You better watch out, I'm here to take your spot, it's my year. I grateful to all these artists claiming that the top tier. You're not there, stuck passing yourself up. The Nazi concentration camp like Auschwitz and Bam shit. I'm damn near the pinnacle of their system, and my prompts to watch this kid detonate the brains of critics who claim that I'm illiterate. Burning bridges with all the homies who ever doubted this. Freak with your social got 10 years of ballot for your selfish tricks. Good grief, I've been rapping for a while now, but I could probably go for another decade. I'm pooping down, this is my reign of terror. I'm the best when it comes to pound for pound. Eating up a dictionary, math for a marathon by now. Here's a reminder in case I didn't capture the rhymes of what I'm spitting. All your favorite rapper interview freestyling, yep, that's just written. The stone walls that fell alone that tells a story with man that shows brave inside a psyche, but aside he just a shell, a clone. No pearl of a dragon, prince of lions, but afraid of gold. Goliath and the giants clash together, something big and bold. And bridges of folk tales, past the red and then turn into jokes. Never know when locks can hit you till it grabs you by the throat.
I knew you were gonna say that.
It's a migraine, it's a type of pain that drives the mind insane. It's the VANG syndrome, the migraine gets sharp, the eyes turn red, and there's nothing left to picture. You'll get better when sicker, load up the chamber, warn them of the danger. It's the VANG syndrome. 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 The body's at the floor. It's the VANG syndrome. It's the VANG syndrome. It's the VANG syndrome. It's the VANG syndrome. The body's at the floor. It's the VANG syndrome. It's the VANG syndrome. It's the VANG syndrome. It's the VANG syndrome. Now footsteps off, the elevator is broken.